Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how I prepare this very delicious lollipop chicken, fried and coated in a very delicious homemade Bacardi sauce, right? So for this recipe, I'll be using roughly about 5 pounds of drumsticks, right? But I have 4 drumsticks right here. I'm just gonna demonstrate and show you how I get it to look like a lollipop, right? So what you wanna do is to take your scissors and carve around the leg, right? It depends on how high you want to go, but me, I don't want to waste a lot of my chicken, right? So I'm just gonna do it about here. Then you're gonna take your finger and peel the skin straight off, right? If there's any excess, you can just take the scissors and trim that, right? And this is how a lollipop chicken is looking. Look at it. See? Alright. First, I'm gonna start by adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now I'm gonna go ahead and rub it all in, right? And guys, trust me, this is gonna be so delicious. You know that, right? Just gonna leave it to sit and marinate for half an hour before I start. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make my breading. And for my breading, I'll be adding 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, right? Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all in, right? Make sure to mix everything properly together. Now with my stove on high heat, I'm just gonna go ahead and add some vegetable oil. And I'm adding enough oil to submerge my chicken properly so it can fry properly, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my drumsticks to the breading, right? And I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my drumstick with the breading. So you just want to go ahead and fold and press, just to ensure that your drumstick is properly coated with the breading, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and check if my oil is hot, right? And I'm using a bamboo stick right here, as you can see. So when you see the bubbles coming off the bamboo stick, that means the oil is hot, right? So now I'm going in with my drumsticks. I just want to make sure you shake that excess flour off, right? Because I don't want your oil to burn.
Yeah, we late, but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic.
Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it to fry on each side for 10 minutes.
Yeah, we late, but this shit's fantastic. For the ages, feels like it's magic. Hear the clock been haunting my dreams, it's been ticking.
So meanwhile my chicken is frying, I'm just gonna go ahead and make my Bacardi sauce, right? So I'm just going in with half cut freshly squeezed lemon juice. Also gonna add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 2 tablespoons of honey, right? And I'm just gonna ensure that I get all the honey out. I don't want none of this honey to waste, right? Also gonna add 4 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. And for the star of the show, guys, I'm now going in with 1/4 cup of Bacardi rum, right? And I'm just gonna mix it thoroughly until everything is properly blended.
Feeling like Bambi, scary, reach down, can't find where my nuts at. Run it back, time don't love me, rub me like I got a humpback, jump back, bite me, gonna fight me while I'm typing. These are my thoughts. Yeah, and I'm done with the wild shit. Yeah, a lot more time than I.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my drumsticks out, right? And look at this. Look how pretty this look. Wow, so golden, so crispy. Alright. Now I'm gonna add them to my Bacardi sauce. Trust me, this is gonna be so awesome. Trust me. And I'm gonna coat them with my Bacardi sauce. And guys, you don't want to make them stay too long in the sauce because you don't want them too soggy either. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take them out now. Look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Look how beautiful this look. Look at it. I wish your taste buds was my taste bud right now. You'll be tasting what I'm tasting. My thing! Alright guys, if you happen to reach the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Boom.
Been lying a lot, might give us away. And what is the cost? The truth I won't face. I think that we caught. I hear what you say, but jealousy rots the brain, the fame, the game. I know you a fan of me, feeling me. You can't get rid of me, calling the SWAT. Time is running out.